Yep, go ahead. Don't be afraid of it. There you go. All right, you're good.
Done?
No, it's going. Yay! Awesome job. Okay, bring it over here in the sun. A little farther over. There you go. All right. Get her lit and get away. Good job. Here we go. What do you think?
Mandrakes.
Mandrake. Over there. Let it go. It's fine.
Work.
I know. Stay put.
Yeah, that's a total stain.
Total good, huh?
Yeah, that's right, Piccolo Pete.
Well, here. No, just do your sparkler for a minute. Look at me. Sing the national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? There you go, bud. There it goes. Put the lighter down. Don't walk toward me. Okay. Walk around the street. Conduct some music. Leaving streaks again. Not by your shoes. Not too close. Wave it around the air. Don't. No leaves.
Should I try?
I would not, because you never know if there's something left over in them. Be safe with these.
Smoke bomb.
No. Dude, no. Alright. Ta-da! On the driveway where it belongs.
Ooh, it looks like a fire staff. It looks like a small one.
I don't know what it's going to do. Ooh,
That
it's
looks
pretty.
more like a golden shower to me.
That's pretty.
That's more like a golden shower. You see how it's a flying stream upward? That's more like a golden shower.
I see. That one's pretty.
It looks exactly like a golden shower except for the sparks in the snow. You see how it goes up into the air and it stops coming up?
Oh, that one stunk, man. Literally. Here we go. Those are fun. I like those.
I'll film it.
I would like you to actually light it. You can do it.
Okay.
All right? Branwyn lighting the dreaded Black Widow. You can do it. All right, back up. You did good. I like that one.
That looks exactly like the golden shower in Florida.
They're all very similar.
Like, you see how the sparks are going up and coming down without them going to the crack?
Yeah?
That looks exactly like the golden shower. And that's when you start running out of mana. You see how it goes straight up?
That one's pretty. I like it.
Doesn't it need to come down? It's exactly what the golden shower
That was nice.
Because it eventually stops going.
Okay, let's not obsess about Terraria then. Start walking. Not so close.